Hello, in front of me I've got BELKIN SOUNDFORM Nano. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone, and now on the right earbud tap once to volume up. On the left earbud tap once to volume down. On both earbuds tap twice to pause, resume playback. On right earbud tap 3 times for next track, and on the left earbud tap 3 times for previous track. Also, on either earbud tap twice to answer and end the call, and to reject call tap and hold for 2 seconds on either earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.